Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, welcome back to That Snapchat Yellow C6. If you're new here and you're into car content, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So most of you guys came to this video because you entered the GoPro Hero 5 Session giveaway. I want to go ahead and tell you that it's not actually GoPro Hero 5 Session. I switched it up, I upgraded you guys. You ended up getting a GoPro Hero 7 White. Really awesome camera. It shoots 1080p, but it shoots 1080p at 60 frames a second. So for car content, or really any content in general, you can get some silky smooth videos with 60 frames per second. It's not always about that resolution, just so you guys know that. So we're going to actually do the giveaway here in just a few moments. I'm going to go on the computer to a random comment generator and choose it from there, and then I'm going to come back over here and announce the winner. But I just want to again say thanks again to everybody who has watched the channel. My viewers are #1. Without you guys, we couldn't have done it. What do you think?
It's just crazy to think that y'all have backed us up this far. If you'd have told me a year, 2 years ago when we really started that we'd be at 1,000, I would have never believed you.
I know there's tons of channels that have done it way faster than us. I know that. He knows that. We know that. But I just wanted to say, like, I honestly, when I started it, I knew I wanted to get like 1,000 subscribers is that mark that a beginner YouTuber is like, man, I gotta hit 1,000. And I'll be honest, when I started it, we would go through months but not posting stuff, and I kind of thought then it was going to be done. But I did keep posting, we kept posting, we kept pushing through, and we made it to 1,000. And I've also noticed that here in the past less than a week since we've had 1,000 subscribers, the channel's starting to grow a lot faster too. And I'm also going to make a monetization video to show you guys kind of what it looks like when YouTube monetizes you and the money you can make. Again, starting out, you're not going to be making like crazy money, but to me, if I could get even a tank of gas a month, I'd be pretty stoked about that. Yeah. So again, so anyways, I'm about to jump on the computer. I'm gonna have Trevor talk to you guys for just a second about anything that he wishes. So yeah, let's get it.
Alright guys, so once Tyler gets done right now, he's entering everything into the generator as we speak. So as Tyler stated before, it is a 1080p camera. It shoots 60 feet. This thing shoots out at 60 feet per second. It's got a great 60 foot, not gonna lie. So what I really think is a great feature of this camera is it does come with a nice display right here on the back. I hope it's focusing here on that where you can kind of see it. But it is 10 megapixel camera. It shoots 1080p, 60 frames per second. That is a big thing. If you've ever shot video with one of these, 60 frames per second, 1080p is really all you're ever gonna need. In my opinion, it's better than shooting in a higher resolution with less frames per second.
Absolutely. And another perk to that is whenever you upload videos to YouTube, because I'm sure whoever gets this is probably what they're going to use it for, it uploads way faster.
Yes.
So just a perk.
And when you upload videos faster, it's so much of a less headache because when we upload, we're sitting here watching it, just upload.
Go ahead.
Also with this camera, it comes in with a built-in mic, so you don't have to have an external. Although we do recommend an external mic, this one does come with a built-in microphone. It's also waterproof up to 33 feet. So if any of y'all are some extreme divers here, not really extreme, if you like going in the water, shooting in the water, this camera will work just fine. To be honest, it's really a great camera to be starting out videoing, trying to upload to YouTube. If we would have had one of these, I would have been really stoked when we started out, because to be honest, when we started out, there was a couple videos that were shot on a Hero 3, and it was not 1080p 60 frames per second. I promise you. Alright, so as Tyler's getting this started right now, we're getting ready to enter in this generator right now. So let's see who won.
Let's see, I got the generator almost pulled up here. We loaded it up. There's actually 43 commenters here. So each of you guys had a 1 in 43 chance. Alright guys, so we have chosen the winner from a random comment generator. Alright, so if you're ready, here we go. The winner is Billy Prater. So congratulations, Billy. You have won a GoPro Hero 7 White. I'm sure you're super excited if you're watching this right now. I would be. I've never won anything like this online. So.
Not that lucky.
Yeah, it's definitely pretty sweet. So.
I won a ticket from a state trooper once. I was about the luckiest I got.
Yeah, I've won a couple tickets that I'm not a big fan of.
I didn't subscribe for those though.
Anyway, so congratulations, Billy Prater. You are the winner of the GoPro Hero 7 White giveaway. So again, congratulations, man. Hope that you take this and use it to make videos. whether that be car content or any sort of content, upload it to YouTube. That is my hope for the winter, is that they actually use this kind of the same way we would. So anyways, congrats again to you for like the third time. I've said it like 3 times now, but
Congratulations.
Congrats. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. Be looking out for a 2017 Honda Civic SI review this week. That's going to drop maybe tomorrow or Saturday. Again, if you're new, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and if you're into car content, stay tuned, hit the notification bell. Other than that, that's all I got. You got anything?
Just keep sending it.
Thanks for coming, and better luck to the rest of you in the next giveaway. I'll probably be doing one in a few months. So stay tuned for that, and other than that, peace. Bye.